Hello everyone. Today I am going to share some previous year questions of JRF examination. The first question is Chavati Arunima is a variety of options are apricot, gladiolus, apple, hollyhock. The answer is gladiolus. Next question is oil percent in grape seeds. Options are 11 to 14%, 12 to 18%, 10 to 13%, 12 to 14%. Answer is 10 to 13%. Next question is brinjal variety KKM1 is evolved through which breeding method? Options are backcross breeding, heterosis breeding, mutation breeding, and none of these. The answer is none of these. Next question is non-spiny variety of bear. Options are Validity, Dandan, Ponda, Rohtaki. The answer is Dandan. Next question is Conference is a variety of options are plum, peach, pear, and apple. The answer is pear. The next question is fruits attain nipple shape at peduncle end in which variety? Your options are Arka Saurabh, Pusa Madhurima, Pusa Sarda, Pusa Utkarsh. Answer is Pusa Madhurima. Next question is loops are observed in options are polythene chromosomes, isochromosomes, normal chromosomes, Lamb-Brush chromosomes. And the answer is Lamb-Brush chromosome. Next question is credit for success of KVK goes to options are Mohan Singh Mehta, Chandrika Prasad, Daniel Boehner, and all of the person. Answer is Chandrika Prasad. Next question is large fruit of jackfruit is called options are Kapal, Kapai, Barka, and Kappa. The answer is Kappa. Next question is it is clumping formalin succulent native to Kenya. Options are Alpinia zerumbit, Philodendron species, Aloe javena, and Asparagus cetaceus. Answer is Aloe juvena. Next question is skin color of Nolcol governed by options are polygenes, monogenic, digenic, none of the above. Answer is digenic. The next question is internal browning in Brussels sprout is due to options are calcium deficiency, boron deficiency, low temperature, high temperature. Answer is calcium deficiency. The next question is dwarf variety of Brussels sprout. The options are Amager Market, Danish Pride, Hills Ideal, Long Island Improved. And the answer is Long Island Improved. The next question is variety of kale. Options are Dwarf Gem, Dwarf Improve, Dwarf Moss, all of these. Answer is dwarf moss. The next question is bell apple is? Options are wood apple, pineapple, mountain apple, and passion fruits. Answer is passion fruit. Next question is phenol factory is? Options are blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, gooseberry. Answer is blueberry. The next question is golden ripe is a variety of? Options are apricot, pineapple, rhubarb, and all of these. Answer is pineapple. The next question is concept of cultivated plants given by? Options are Ni Willow, Decandol, Swingle, and Harlandy Wet. The answer is Decandol. The next question is movement of oxygen in plants is acropetal, basipetal, both, and none of these. The answer is both. Movement of oxygen in plants is acropetal and basipetal. The next question is the first product of photosynthesis in C3 plant is? Options are sucrose, oxaloacetate, phosphoglyceric acid, and glycerol. Answer is phosphoglyceric acid. Thank you.